Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath. Today's topic is very useful for everybody. The questions people asked, and we have selected some useful questions for everybody. Please go through the whole video. First and the interesting question is, Sir, please suggest penny stocks which can go up in next 2 years. Very good question. Large number of people may be wanting to ask this question. First of all, why did it become a penny stock? For example, a company must have come for IPO. They must have issued the stocks at 100, 200, 300, etc. Or a company must have started long back. The rate could be 300, 500, etc. And the management was not good. And the goods were not good. Services were not good. And the company did not upgrade their products or their services. So, and slowly the share rate started coming down and down from 300, 400, 200, etc. to 8, 10, 15 rupees, and that is why it is called penny stocks. The very reason the stocks became penny is because the management was not good, etc., etc. Suppose you buy it now, what is the guarantee that it will go up, and what is the guarantee that it will not come down? For example, many people think that 8 rupees share may become 10 rupees and 12 rupees. In that case, 25 to 50% profits I got, and a share of 2000 rupees to reach 2500 or 4000 rupees. It is very difficult, and hence it is better to buy penny stocks so that we can make very quick profits. But as we know, large number of stocks which are now penny stocks will deteriorate in the future, and that percentage is higher. Shares going up is very rare. Sometimes the shares may go up. Under what circumstances? When the whole market is going up, or when some rumors come up, or some other company will acquire it for their purposes, or sometimes some vested interest in the market may start pumping a lot of money into the small company in order to jack up the rates, and that is a crime. So, my dear friends, it is very risky to deal with penny stocks unless and until you have the risk appetite, you have plenty of mind, and you have plenty of money to spare for such activities. Second question is, Sir, do we need to consider money control paid features while purchasing the shares? I'll answer this question in two ways. First one, let us imagine you have taken Dr. Bharath Chandra's stock market workshop. In that case, you know where to look for all the data. If not moneycontrol.com, it could be investing.com or it could be screener.in. So you know all the details, so that paid feature may not be required. Suppose you have not taken Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop, maybe you can take some extra data from moneycontrol.com paid service, and you can take some informed decisions. Next question, Sir, when I buy shares, will there be income tax cut? And second question is, when I buy shares, will they cancel my BPL card? Answer to the first part is, in stock market, nobody knows what is your profit except for yourself. Income tax department will not worry about finding out, but it is your honesty that you pay income tax. Suppose you made a profit of 30,000 and it is in a short term, less than 1 year, then you pay 4,500 voluntarily at the end of the year, or if it is a long term, then you pay 10%. This is to be done voluntarily on your own because government expects that you are likely to pay. Question is, what happens if I don't pay? Maybe the government will not come to know. Maybe after some time when you are buying some expensive goods or a house or a car, and at that time there will be an inquiry to find out how you manage that extra money. Then you say, I got it from stock market. Then they come to know. Then there will be penalties and you vomit deep down from your stomach. Better is you pay on your own. Next, coming to BPL card. As of today, Income Tax Department is not connected with BPL card issuing department. They may not come to know. However, it is your honesty and integrity that once you become well-to-do, you have to cancel your BPL card on your own. Next question. Since you made the video about fertilizer companies, the fertilizer stock prices increased by 10% or more. Is it still okay to buy fundamentally strong stock in this sector? Very good question. Few days back, we made a video, and the video was, as the rainy season is approaching, the fertilizer shares may go up, and exactly the same thing happened. My suggestion is, in case you want to buy now, there is nothing wrong. It may go further up, or it may remain there, or it may start going up next year. Question is your outlook short term or long term? However, in my original portfolio of 10 shares, I don't have any fertilizer shares because they are seasonal. However, if you do sufficient research, it may be that you can pick up 1 bar 10 as a fertilizer stocks in your portfolio. Somebody has asked a very interesting question. Sir, I have purchased Titan shares. Is it good for long term or short term? The answer is both. For example, Titan shares have been appreciating upwards of 25% CAGR every year for the last 22 years. At the same time, Titan shares are sufficiently volatile, goes up and down. But your information in the question is insufficient to demand an answer from me. First of all, your age. Second, how much money you have invested in Titan shares. Third one, your outlook towards shares. Fourth one, what are the other shares you are holding. Fifth one, what is your monthly income and what is your saving capacity. All these things have to be known by me before I can answer the question. But however, Titan is good for long term, and if you ask me about short term, yes, the beta of Titan stocks is sufficiently good enough, and when you are buying in short term, you must relate your buying and selling to moving averages technical analysis chart. Any buy indication, buy it. Any sell indication, sell it. On an yearly calculation, you can make somewhere around 25 to 30% profit without any hazards. One more piece of information for Kannadigas. ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಬಗೆಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ is a special feature that we run from Tuesday onwards for the first time in Channel 1. It's a live 1 hour question and answer session regarding stock market, and all channel members can ask questions on 19th April Tuesday from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Earlier, the same feature was available in our YouTube for half an hour on Monday nights. Now it has been shifted to our webinar software. It is not in YouTube and it comes in Demio software. In order to register for the Demio software, you have to click the Demio software link in the description box below, and there are some guidelines Rohan Chandra has given you. First thing is, click on the link in the description box. Second, please enter all details. Third one, immediately you will receive an email to your email ID from webinar software Demio, and you have to look for the link in your inbox, and sometimes it could be in the spam folder too. The fourth and the most important guideline is use Google Chrome browser for better results and have a good internet connection to attend the session. The last question is, which app is best Demat account open? Please note, I have printed the questions the way they have asked. This is not my grammar. Few days back in our channel 1, we had made a video which app is best and which Demat company is the best, etc. Go to our video library, search for it, go through the whole video in detail. If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, and the video is good. Press the like button. Send this video to as many people as possible. If you are a Kannadiga, take advantage of the question and answer session on this Tuesday night. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.